We are an LGBTQ center, the only one in Greensboro. So this is a place where people can come in and find resources and build community. In the past 12 months, Guilford Green has had to shift our focus to meeting the basic needs of our community around health and safety as a result of the pandemic. So we are different than other organizations because we are both a foundation and a community center, which means that we get to provide funding to our community partners as well as programming for the community in our center. Best way to keep up with us is follow us on social media, check out our Out and About calendar for community events, and come join us at an event.